Tracy with Refurbish in the middle. This is not going to be a big thing, but this is just a little tip that I thought I would share that works good for me. I got this cute little table and I did the IOD transfer on top of it. I sanded that down and then just put our no paint gel stain, and then I did the mud puddle on the stencil, and I just painted the legs of the mud puddle. But this had a drawer and there was a hole, and I got this at an auction for like $3. So, you know, sometimes I do stuff backwards. But I went ahead and I just had B cut me a little piece of Luan. I decided to go ahead and cover the whole thing because it looked dumb if I didn't. But you know how when you cut Luan and see how you got these rough edges? Let me turn this right there. You got these funky edges. Well, this is another good thing that our product does. I've got our Dixie Belle Mud in white, which you can use brown or whatever. I just grabbed this one. And then see how I went down this side with it? And all I did was just take my finger and go down it. And I'm gonna go down it one more time because I believe that's getting dry. I'll wait and sand it tomorrow. But the reason for this is it doesn't matter. You know how Luan is when you sand it. You can't ever get it smooth. And this way, this will give you the smooth edge. So when I come and paint this color, it'll all be cohesive. And that's all. That's just a little tip. I like to do that. I use our mud. See, I use our mud all the time. And I just like to do that. And see here where that's not quite straight? Well, you can cover that up and you can fill that up too with the mud in your finger. See that? All it is just something that'll, you know, look good. It's durable, but it saves you a little bit of time. So that's what I wanted to share with you. I've always found this was a handy tip, little trick that you can do, and I'll work on this with just a little more because I'm going to let it get built up. Whoops. I'm going to let it build up there and get that corner nice, and then that way it'll be nice and cohesive. And then when I paint it, unless you look underneath it, you won't know that there was a drawer there. So I think this is turning out to be a cute little table for $3. This will all wash off. And you know, the little bit of money, I'm sorry, my head's in the way. The little bit of money that it cost me in paint, which is minimal, and it was paint that I had open. A lot of times that's how I determine what color things are going to be. Depends on what I have open or what I want to get used up. But that's all. I just wanted to show you that cute little tip that you can do with our mud and just save you some time. So when I talk to you the next time, bye.